A closed cylindrical tank of radius 8 meter and height 22 meter is made from a metal sheet. How much metal sheet is required to make it? Solution will be given is R equal to 8 meter and H is 22 meter. Height is 22 meter, radius is 8 meter. So the total sheet required will be equal to the total surface area of the cylindrical tank. Which is equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. So 2 pi R is common. Now it will be multiplied with R plus H. So we will have to multiply the values. It is 2 into pi into 8 plus R plus H. So it is 2 into 22 over 7 into 8 into 30. 8 plus 22 is 30. So it is 2 into pi into 8 into 30 is. Final answer is 1507.2 meter square. It is the total sheet required for making up this cylindrical tank. This is the answer.